Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at the Winnie Palmer Nature Reserve. We were here once before, but I have not filmed this part of the trail yet. I somehow missed this the first go around, and it's the pond area. And it's just a really nice, check out this fence, really pretty pond area coming up. So let me show you this. So this will be a very short video, but I couldn't really say the video is complete without this. So this is Winnie Palmer Part 2. I'd be very hard-pressed to believe somebody tried to boat or canoe in this pond, but that would be interesting to see. There's these fake cattails. They're huge that somebody made and put in here. They look pretty cool. This trestle thing here was somebody's Eagle Scout project. Now wait a minute, this section here is new also. So it's a nature house mail. Nothing in there at the moment. And it says welcome to Winnie's Nature House. I think it's a place for kids, but let's go check this out. See what's in here. Little sign about it. Different rules and such. Let's take a look. Little library corner there with a free library. Maybe something's going up there in the future. Yeah, see, these signs look new too, so this must be brand new. Big old fake mushroom here. Then over here's like little wooden toy things. And then I think they moved this is what happened, because I distinctly remember this being, I thought, up by the environmental center from the previous video, and I think they moved it down here is what happened, like by the kids center. I'm not sure why they moved it or how, but I guess they moved it. Here today mapping the Winnie Palmer Nature Reserve for my new site, trailedef.com. I'll put that link here so you can see it. Trailedef.com is totally free. It's just where I map all my trails from Western PA, so make sure to check that out. All my videos and adventures are on there. But yeah, I'm gonna head back out of this kids area, back through the little lean-to thing there and onto the trail and continue mapping this. By the time this video comes out, you'll probably see this trail mapped on my site. It's near Latrobe, PA. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.